Hey everyone, it's Krista here, also known as Scrappin' Fever. Today, Pumpkin and I got some Happy Meal, and I thought I'd show it to you. It's from my Mrs. Claus. So let's get to it and see what's inside. Oh, nice. I got my T-square ruler, which I was wanting. Awesome, awesome. Thank you. And looks like I got a bag of goodies. Let's see. It says Merry Christmas. And I got this cute little organizer with all my little goodies in there. How cute is that? That'll be a great addition to put on my little table. Oh, and there's a little peppermint candy cane. Ha ha ha. Yum. And so I've got this. Let's see what it is. I can show you. Pumpkin likes it. She's gonna check it out and see. Sorry for all the noise. Ooh, some wood pieces. Ooh, those are, sorry about that. Those are pretty. Some butterfly wood pieces. Ooh, I like those a lot. Thank you. And some little card spots, like journaling cards. Cute. And they're for crafting. I love crafts, pretty things. Very cute. Well, let's just go through them real quick. Hey, I can totally make that. And then I have too much washi, said no one ever. And some little paint, and some make pretty things. And I'm a crafty girl. Happy face. Memories. Little sewing machine. That took me a minute. Sorry. Being creative isn't a hobby, it's a way of life. So true. Some pencils. I love my crafts. And live, love, create. Awesome. Thank you. And then there's another one. I really need to ask for one of those stands for Christmas to hold my phone while I record, because it's hard to open packages with just one hand. Ooh, and some more pretty flower wood embellishments. Those are really nice. The detail in them is really pretty. Thank you. Let's see. That's a big one, so we'll leave it till last. Oh, some simple story embellishments called Freezin' Season. Cute. And this is what it has in it. Those are cute embellishments. Little boy and girl, they're sweet. And a little penguin. Cute, cute, cute. Thank you so much for that. Okay, I'm going to open the letter afterwards. Heidi Swapp called Story Time. And it's called Deck of Days. Block. No, it's motivational. So it looks like it's just little cards and in there. I'm not going to open that because it's sealed up and it'll be too hard. Sorry. Oh, and a paper pad. Awesome. Oh, a doodle bug. Cute, cute. And this is the pet ones. How cute is that with kitty cats? I love it. Pumpkin, you like that one? I think you do. Thank you so much. This is also by Heidi Swapp called Storyline in their little journaling sticker kit. And so it has those, I'm sorry for the glare, has those in them, and then underneath it, it has stuff to plan for, like a planner. Awesome, thank you. Can always use that. And then some self-adhesive bags, which is awesome to use in swaps and Happy Meal. Thank you so much. And there's one more wrapped. Oh, it's wrapped pretty good too. See if I can get to it. It's like double wrapped. My Mrs. Santa didn't want me to get in this one. Oh, nice. It's Mary Mary, and it's a card making pad. Awesome. Thank you so much for that. And let's see, I'll just kind of flip through. And I think you just fold them and make cards, or they're instant cards, and you can embellish them. How awesome is that? That's going to come in very handy this year. Thank you so much. And then look inside my little baggie. There's some adhesive in here. What a great idea. Thank you so much. You have been a great Mrs. Claus. Let me open up my letter here. I'm not going to really show that. Well, I'll show you the front. It's a pretty card. May your Christmas be cozy, warm, and bright. And it's got a big old snowflake on there. How pretty is that? Thank you so much. And my Santa is Heather. So thank you so much, Heather. This is wonderful. I love it all. You were a great Santa, and I appreciate it. Oh, and there's one more. Some chocolate. Thank you. Love, love, love. Thanks for being a great Secret Santa, or Mrs. Santa. Love it all. Thank you. All right, everyone. Pumpkin and I will see you next time. Bye.